Buckle up for a fast-paced countdown as we dive into the best blenders and discover which models actually earn a spot on your countertop. From power and blade design to smart presets and budget-friendly options, this list covers everything you need to blend smoothies, soups, and more into silky perfection. Today, I'm going to be going over the best blenders that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 10, we have Crandy Commercial Smoothie Blender. This powerhouse blends with relentless reliability, engineered for non-stop duty in busy kitchens. A high-torque motor drives a robust stainless steel blade set, chewing ice and frozen fruit into silky, restaurant-ready textures. Pitcher is designed for wide, stable pouring with a generous capacity that keeps up with multiple servings without reloading. Variable speeds give you precise control from gentle emulsions to gritty pulverization, while pulse bursts deliver quick texture changes on demand. Protective thermal switch guards the motor after long runs, and the jar is dishwasher safe for simple cleanup. Practical features like sealed blades and a straightforward pull and release blade assembly minimize downtime. Compared to the Ninja Mega Kitchen System, which I have included as number 9 on this list, the Crandy delivers steadier high-volume blends with easy-to-clean components. At number 9, we have Ninja Mega Kitchen System. This multifunctional behemoth combines a powerful blender with built-in food processing and rich chopping capabilities, all in a compact footprint for a home kitchen. A robust 1,500-watt motor drives crushing blades that excel at smoothies, soups, and frozen desserts, while the processor base handles doughs, slicing, and purees with reliable accuracy. 72-ounce pitcher is insulated for steady temperatures and compatibility with tall, stable blending. Pre-programmed cycles take the guesswork out of daily recipes, yet manual speed control keeps texture in your hands. Easy clean, detachable parts and a sealed blade assembly reduce cleanup time. Compared to the Black+Decker countertop blender, which I have included as number 8 on this list, the Ninja offers broader versatility and more batch capacity. At number 8, we have Black+Decker countertop blender. This budget-friendly model prioritizes simplicity without sacrificing core blending power. A durable, relatively compact vessel sits over a dependable motor with variable speeds and a pulse setting for chunky results. Stainless steel blades stay sharp through daily use and are designed for quick, even chopping of fruits, vegetables, and crushed ice. The control panel is straightforward, minimizing learning curve for new users, while dishwasher-safe parts speed up cleanup after a busy morning. It's ideal for weekday smoothies, light sauces, and family-friendly servings. Compared to the Vitamix 520 blender, which I have included as number 7 on this list, it trades power and longevity for value and convenience. At number 7, we have Vitamix 520 blender. True workhorse, the 520 balances power and finesse with a tall, rugged container and a smooth, dial-based speed spectrum. The motor delivers consistent torque to a stainless steel blade assembly that reduces resistance at higher speeds, enabling ultra-silky nut milks, creamy soups, and fine purees. Variable speed control lets you escalate textures gradually, while the pulse function provides quick texture fixes. The durable, BPA-free pitcher is designed for years of daily use and is surprisingly dishwasher-safe when the blades are removed for cleaning. While it isn't as compact as entry-level units, the 520 shines in repeatable results and culinary confidence. Compared to the Ninja BL610 and blender, which I have included as number 6 on this list, Vitamix emphasizes longevity and professional-grade results. At number 6, we have Ninja BL700 and blender. This model blends with a balance of power and flexibility, featuring a 1,100-watt motor and a sizable 72-ounce pitcher that's ideal for family meals or weekly meal prep. Total crushing blades deliver smooth smoothies, crushed ice, and frozen drinks quickly, while a range of preset programs handles everyday tasks with little user input. Sturdy base and easy grip handle reduce fatigue during long blending sessions, and the jar remains comfortable to hold even when full. Cleaning is straightforward thanks to dishwasher-safe components and a removable blade assembly. Compared to the Nutribullet blender NBF50500, which I have included as number 5 on this list, the BL701 offers more batch capacity and speed at the expense of compact size. At number 5, we have Nutribullet blender NBF50500. This compact yet capable unit excels at personal blending with fast, efficient extraction blades designed to unlock maximum nutrition from fruits and vegetables. Motor delivers steady turning power for single-serve smoothies, sauces, and dips, while the included cup and lived lid system makes on-the-go meals effortless. The set typically includes several cup sizes and blade attachments, enabling flexible batch sizes and texture. Compact footprint means it fits easily under cabinets, and the lightweight design reduces fatigue when you're building meals. Cleaning remains simple with dishwasher-safe cups and lids. Compared to the Magic Bullet blender, which I have included as number 4 on this list, Nutribullet emphasizes personal-scale blending and nutrition-focused blades. At number 4, we have Magic Bullet blender. This iconic compact system is designed for fast, everyday blending with a surprisingly broad accessory kit. The base motor powers multiple cup sizes and interchangeable blades, enabling quick smoothies, sauces, and light chopping in minutes. Its short, ergonomic design makes it a favorite for small kitchens, dorm rooms, and quick meal prep on busy mornings. Speed settings are intuitive, while the pulse mode helps create thicker textures when needed. Wide range of included lids and cups makes cleanup and storage easy after back-to-back uses. Compared to the Ninja Professional Blender BL610, which I have included as number 3 on this list, the Magic Bullet wins on size, speed, and portability. At number 3, we have Ninja Professional Blender BL610. This model is built for high-volume blending with a solid 1000-watt motor and a large, stable 72-ounce pitcher. The blade assembly is designed for heavy-duty crushing, producing smooth consistency even with frozen fruit and ice. A straightforward control panel with a dial lets you fine-tune texture from chunky to velvety, while the BPA-free container resists staining and odors. The design emphasizes performance with lower profile that fits under most cabinets, making it a practical workhorse in many kitchens. Compared to the Ninja BL660 blender, which I have included as number 2 on this list, the BL610 prioritizes consistent batch texture over additional smart features. At number 2, we have Ninja BL660 blender. This popular model raises the game with a robust motor, large capacity pitcher, and resilient blade system tuned for dense blends. AutoIQ-style presets provide convenient, hands-off operation, yet you can still toggle manual speed to tailor smoothies, salsas, or soups. The jug is tall and stable, with a comfortable handle for pouring, and the base includes a wide footprint for durability. Cleaning is straightforward thanks to dishwasher-safe components and a removable blade assembly. Compared to the KitchenAid hand blender, which I have included as number 1 on this list, the BL660 leans toward bulk blending and speed, while the hand blender emphasizes control and versatility with attachments. At number 1, we have KitchenAid hand blender. This handheld workhorse excels at quick emulsions, purees, and light whipping with a comfortable grip and a responsive 5-speed control. Attachments like the Whisk Plus Chopper, and Mini Blender Cup expand its capabilities without sacrificing portability, making it ideal for small kitchens, effortless batch prep, and on-the-fly adjustments. The motor is tuned to deliver steady torque with minimal heat buildup during longer blends, and the ergonomic handle reduces hand fatigue. A compact base and dishwasher-safe accessories keep cleanup fast. Compared to the Ninja BL660 blender, which I have included as number 2 on this list, the KitchenAid hand blender favors precision, flexibility, and easy storage over sheer batch capacity.